Hi students, I am Tufan. Welcome to CMI's digital classes. Today we will learn the chapter 4, which is division. Now it is time to check the number without actual dividing that particular number is divisible by a particular number or not. Okay, so there are some rules, there are some divisibility test rules through which we can understand with the number by just looking the number that this particular number is divisible by which numbers. Okay, so which will help you in further of your study or of your calculations. Okay, so let's see here starting with 2. Okay, so first the first digit which we have 2 is to check the divisibility of 2. We will see the number's last digit, whatever the number is there. For example, this, so this last digit we will check, this last digit we will check, this last digit, only this last digit. If these last digits all of any particular number, of it may be 4 digit, 5 digit, 7 digit, whatever the digit, only last digit we will check if that last digit is even or zero. So two criteria are here, you have to remember, even or zero. If the last number is either even, what are the even number? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, 10 not 10, it will be two digit number. So one digit we have to check, only 2, 6, 4, 2, 6, 4, 6, sorry, 2, 4, 6, 8. These all things you have to check. So here you can say 4, 6, 8 or 0 also. Okay, starting from 0. So 0 or any even number if it is there in the last digit, so you can say that this particular number is, yes, this particular number is divisible by 2. Okay, so here as examples are given, so you can take few more examples wherever the last digit is either even number or 0. So that particular number will be divisible by 2. Now let's move to the next, that is divisibility test of 3. Okay, so if the sum of its all digit, okay, so whatever the digit is given, you have to check by adding the sum of all the number. So if the sum of all the digit is divisible by 3, then that particular number will be also divisible by 3. So for that we will check by adding these all. So here you can see 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. So 12 plus 9 is how much? 12 plus 9 is 21. Okay, so 21. So how many times 3 is equal to 21? 3 7 are 21. So that means 21 is divisible by 3. So because 21 is divisible by 3, so definitely this number will also be divisible by 3. So here the most important thing is to keep in mind, is to remember, is to study well that first criteria either even or 0, then it will be divisible by 2. Second criteria, if the sum of all the digit is divisible by 3, then this number will also be divisible by 3. You can see here this number. Okay, 8 plus 7 are 7 12 14 15. 15 plus 9 are 24. Okay, so 24. Is 24 divisible by 3? 3 8 are 24, definitely. So this number will also be divisible by 3. So this is how we can check the divisibility of a particular number by 2. And next is divisibility criteria of 4. So for 4 it is slightly different. You have to check rightmost two digit. Okay, this is the right side. So rightmost two digit you have to check. If this rightmost two digit is divisible by 4, then the whole number will be divisible by 4. Okay, so if the number formed by the rightmost two digits, so this is the most important thing to remember, that rightmost two digit you have to check for the divisibility criteria of 4. So to check the divisibility criteria of 4, we will check the last means rightmost two digit number. अगर ये rightmost two digit number 4 से डिवाइड चल जाता है पूरे तरह से, तो ये सारे नंबर जो है 4 से डिविजिबल होगा. जैसे कि हम आपको यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं 8 है. So 8 4 2 are 8. Definitely it is divisible by 4. So the whole number will be divisible by 4. Okay. Here it is 16. Okay, 8 2 are 16. So definitely, sorry, here 16. So 4, how many times is equal to 16? 4 4 are 16, right? So this is how this is also divisible by 4. So because this is also divisible by 4, the whole number will be divisible by 4. Here also 24. How many times 4 is equal to 24? 6 4 are, sorry, 4 6 are 24, right? So this is how, if this two digit is divisible, then definitely this whole digit will be divisible by 4. And here also, so for 4 we will check the rightmost two digit, लास्ट दो डिजिट चेक करेंगे. अगर वो दो डिजिट लास्ट का 4 से डिवाइड हो जाता है तो हम लोग का कितने भी बड़ा नंबर हो, कितना भी बड़ा नंबर हो, वो 4 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा. आपको चेक नहीं करना होगा. हो जाएगा मीन्स कंप्लीटली डिविजिबल हो जाएगा. ठीक है, रिमाइंडर नहीं बचेगा. सो दिस इज द क्राइटेरिया ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 4. Now divisibility criteria of 5. Okay, so in case of 5 we will check the last digit only. So if the last digit is either 5 or 0, अगर ये वंस प्लेस का नंबर जो होगा, वंस डिजिट का नंबर जो फर्स्ट प्लेस का नंबर जो होगा राइट हैंड साइड से, वो अगर आइदर 5 और 0 हो, इफ इट इज 5 और 0, देन दिस नंबर विल बी डिविजिबल बाय 5. अगर ये नंबर या तो 0 या तो 5 होता है तो ये नंबर 5 से डिविजिबल हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे देखो 5 है, यहाँ भी 5 है, यहाँ पे 0 है, यहाँ भी 5 है. तो ये सारे नंबर जो है एग्जाम्पल है जो कि 5 से डिविजिबल है. सो दीज ऑल आर द सम एग्जाम्पल्स. एंड एज बिकॉज द लास्ट वंस प्लेस और लास्ट राइट मोस्ट नंबर इज आइदर 5 और 0, then it will be divisible by 5. So I hope you understand about the divisibility criteria of 5 also. Especially you have to remember very carefully about the 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2, 3, 4, 5 and rest of all few it's related to this all what we learn. So let's see the further. Now here if we are talking about the divisibility criteria of 6, so 6 is related to 3 and 2. So if you know the divisibility criteria of 3 and 2, then only you can find out the divisibility of 6. Okay, so the number which fulfill the divisibility criteria of both 2 and 3, those number will also divisible by 6. Okay, so what was the criteria of 2? The ones digit number either even or 0. So here you can see all the numbers are even number in first digit. Okay, so if these all number fulfill the criteria of divisibility of 2. So what is the criteria of divisibility of 3? The sum of all the number. If the sum of all the number is divisible by 3, then that particular number will also be divisible by 3. So let's see here. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. Is 15 divisible by 3? Yes. 3 5 are 15. Okay. So this is how we can say this number is divisible by 6. Why? Because this is divisible by 2 also and this is divisible by 3 also. तो कोई भी नंबर जब दिया हुआ रहेगा, अगर वो 2 से भी भागा चल जाता है, 2 का भी डिविजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया फुलफिल करता है और 3 का भी डिविजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया फुलफिल करता है, तो वो 6 से डिविजिबल होगा. तो 2 का डिविजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया क्या है कि हम लोग ये वंस प्लेस का लास्ट नंबर देखेंगे. ये अगर इवन नंबर है तो ये 2 से डिविजिबल हो जाएगा या तो 0 है. और अगर हम लोग ये नंबर फिर से देखेंगे इसका सम 3 का क्राइटेरिया चेक करने के लिए, डिविजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया चेक करने के लिए, कि ये जो सम है, ये तीनों नंबर का जो जोड़ है, जोड़ने के बाद जो नंबर आता है, क्या वो नंबर 3 से डिवाइड है जाता है? 3 से अगर पूरी तरह से डिवाइड चल जाता है तो ये जो भी नंबर है ये 6 से भी डिविजिबल हो जाएगा. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द डिविजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया ऑफ 6. Now the divisibility criteria of 7 is very interesting. Okay, so please listen carefully. What is the rules? If the difference means subtractions. If the difference between the twice the number, twice the last digit. So twice means what? 2 times multiply by 2. Twice of anything means multiply by 2. So twice the last digit. So whatever the last digit is there, the twice of that, 2 times of that, and the number formed by the remaining digit. Okay, so we will take some example, then you will understand. Whatever the 2 times the number of last digit means like last rightmost number, okay, so that multiply 2 and the remaining digit, okay, so and remaining digit is either 0 if the difference comes 0, or if the difference is coming the multiple of 7. Multiple of 7 means what? Either 7 or 14 or 21. Okay, so this is how, if it comes the either 0 or multiple of 7, then that number will be divisible by 7. Okay, so let's take an example. For example, I am asking 472. Tell me, is this number is divisible by 7 or not? So what we will check is the first thing, 2 times of the ones place number means rightmost number. So 2 times of 2 means 2 into 2 is equal to 4, right? So now the remaining number is 47. Okay, so remaining number is 47. 47 we will subtract by 4. So 47 minus 4, because it is asking the difference of between that. So 47 minus 4 will come how much? 47 minus 4, 43, right? So 43. So is 43 the multiple of 7? क्या 43 7 का multiple है? Check once. 7 7 are 49, 7 6 are 42. Okay, so now, so definitely this number will not be divisible by 7. Okay, so you can take some more example. जैसे मान लेते हैं हम लोग ये सारे नंबर हैं, हमको डिविजिबिलिटी कैसे करना है कि ये नंबर जो है ये 7 से डिविजिबल है कि नहीं. तो सबसे पहले हमने क्या बताया कि ये 1 डिजिट देखना है, वंस प्लेस देखना है, इसमें 2 टाइम्स लेना है. ओके, मल्टीपल ऑफ 2 और ट्वाइस ऑफ द फर्स्ट डिजिट. सो ट्वाइस ऑफ द फर्स्ट डिजिट मींस 2 multiply 5 is equal to here 10. Okay, so then the remaining number, so remaining number is how much? 297. Okay, so 297. Therefore difference between the remaining number and twice of the number is 297 minus 10. Okay, so 297 minus 10 means 287. So here you have to check this particular number. If this number is a multiple of 7, then it will be, this number also will be divisible by 7, otherwise not. Okay, so definitely this 7 is here, so this number will be divisible by 7. So as this number is divisible by 7 और this number is multiple of 7, क्योंकि ये multiple है 7 का, तो ये नंबर भी 7 से डिवाइड चल जाएगा. इसी तरह से अगर इसको हम लोग देखें तो इसमें भी 7 2 are 14 और जो बचा नंबर क्या है, ये है 161. तो 161 minus 14 we have to check now. So 161 minus 14 is equal to how much? 4 plus 6 is 10, 7. Okay, and this will be 5. So 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 4. Okay, 1, right? Check once. 1 6 1. Okay, 147. So 147 is also multiple of 7, then this number will also be divisible of 7. So this is the criteria of divisibility of 7. Now divisibility criteria of 8. Okay, so if the number formed by the rightmost 3 digit means last 3 डिजिट, इधर से जो 3 डिजिट है वो तीनों डिजिट चेक करेंगे कि अगर वो लास्ट 3 डिजिट डिविजिबल हो जाता है 8 से, तो वो पूरा डिजिट डिविजिबल हो जाएगा. आपको पूरा नहीं चेक करना है. फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे 168 है, तो 168 अगर देखोगे, सो दिस इज द डिविजिबल बाय 8. सो क्योंकि ये लास्ट 3 डिजिट डिविजिबल बाय 8 है, तो आपका ये टोटल डिजिट भी डिविजिबल बाय 8 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो हियर आल्सो वी विल चेक दिस लास्ट digit is divisible by 8. Here also there is no any last three digits, so only one digit is there. 8 is divisible by 8, so this will also be divisible by 8. so 8 का डिविजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया बहुत ही इजी है, जैसे कि हम लोग इससे पहले चेक कर रहे थे लास्ट डिजिट, वैसे ही यहाँ पे लास्ट 3 डिजिट चेक करेंगे। ओके, अगर लास्ट 3 डिजिट डिविजिबल हो जाता है 8 से, तो पूरा जो भी नंबर होगा वो 8 से डिविजिबल हो जाएगा। ठीक है, so next is the divisibility criteria of 9. Okay, so 9 is also similar to 3 की जैसा सिमिलर ही है। if the sum of the digit, मतलब ये तीनों को जोड़ के जो डिजिट होगा अगर वो 9 से डिवाइड हो जाता है तो ये नंबर भी 9 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा। तो दिस सेट 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, so 9 is divisible by 9, so this number will also be divisible by 9। तो जैसे 3 में भी हम लोग कर रहे थे, इसी तरह से 6 में भी, सॉरी 9 में भी हम लोग करेंगे। 9 में हम लोग चेक करेंगे पूरा नंबर का सम। यहाँ पे भी आप देखोगे 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18, so 9 to 18, 18 is also divisible by 9, so this number will also be divisible by 9। तो अगर इसका सम जो है वो 9 से डिविजिबल हो जाता है तो ये पर्टिकुलर नंबर भी 9 से डिविजिबल हो जाएगा। ठीक है, सो ये क्राइटेरिया है द डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 9। The divisibility criteria of 10 is very easy. Okay, just we have to check the ones digit number. If it is 0, then that number will be divisible by 10. Okay, so just only rightmost number, the rightmost number means ones place number you have to check. If that number is 0, then definitely this number will be divisible by 10. बहुत ही easy है, अगर last digit 0 होता है तो वो नंबर डिविजिबिलिटी बाई 10 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा। जैसे 340, 1150, 2000, सो दिस ऑल नंबर आर डिविजिबल बाई 10। ओके, दिस इज द वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड। 11 का डिविजिबिलिटी समझना बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसको सही से समझने की कोशिश करो, नहीं तो नहीं समझ पाओगे। ओके, सो क्या है, इफ द डिफरेंस हियर आल्सो विल सबट्रैक्ट डिफरेंस बिटवीन द difference between the sum of its alternate digits. Alternate digit means what? One after another. Okay, so suppose I am talking about this, so leaving this, so this after this after this, so even place and odd place, so two places will take. So odd place is 1, then 3, and even place is 2, and second is the even places, then fourth is the second even places. Okay, so this is how. So if I am talking about ones, so this is and this is. If I am talking about the second another, so this one and this one. So sum of this and this and this and this first we will do. Okay, so sum and this, sum of this and this is 6. Okay, and sum of this and this is 6. Now we will find the difference also. So difference is 6 minus 6 is 0. So if it is 0 or the multiple of 11 means 11, 22, 33, then this number will be divisible by 11. So here as we have found 0, so this number will be divisible by 11. So here let's check one more, this one. Okay, so first criteria is what? We have to check the sum of alternate digits. So alternate digit means one after another, एक को छोड़ के करना है। Okay, ये 8 को करना है 8 plus 6. Okay, 8 plus 2 नहीं करना है, 8 plus 6 और 2 plus 1. So एक छोड़ के ऐड करना है, अल्टरनेट डिजिट पे करना है, इवन प्लेस एंड ऑड प्लेस पे करना है। फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग बात करें तो इवन प्लेसेस में जो नंबर है वो 2 और 1, ठीक है, सेकेंड एंड फोर्थ पे, सो 2 plus 1 is 3, एंड यहाँ पे ऑड प्लेसेस पे जो नंबर है वो 8 और 6 है, सो 8 plus 6 is 14. Now you have to find the difference of these two. So 14 minus 3 is equal to 11. So which is multiple of 11? So that is how this number will be divisible by 11. So very simply first हम लोग अल्टरनेट नंबर का सम करेंगे, जोड़ेंगे अल्टरनेट नंबर को एक को छोड़ के, ओके, और उसके बाद उसका डिफरेंस निकालेंगे और उसका डिफरेंस निकाल के देखेंगे अगर वो दोनों को जोड़ने के बाद उसका डिफरेंस आइदर 0 और 11 का मल्टीपल आता है तो वो नंबर 11 से डिविजिबल होगा। So now divisibility criteria of 12. Okay, so 12 is also very easy. If you know the divisibility criteria of 3 and 4, then you can find out the divisibility criteria of 12 also. If the particular number is divisible by 3 as well as 4, then that number will be divisible by 12 also. For example, this one. First, let's recap about the divisibility criteria of 3 and 4. So as we know, the divisibility criteria of 3 is we have to check the sum of all number. So sum of all number here 2 plus 1 is 3. If this number is divisible by 3, then this number will also be divisible by 3. So first criteria of divisibility of 12 is met here. Okay. So now let's check the second criteria. Second criteria ki the number should be also divisible by 4 also. So what is the divisibility criteria of 4? We have to check the last two digits. Okay. So last two digit is here 0. Okay. So definitely 0 will be divisible by 4. Okay. So last two digit is divisible by 4, then this number will divisible by 12. Okay. So as this number is divisible by 3 as well as 4, so this number will be divisible by 12 also. Let's check this one. So this one also 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. Okay. Now second criteria is divisibility criteria of 4. Okay. So 52. 52 is 52 divisible by 4. Okay. Yes, 52 is divisible by 4. So that is how this number will also be divisible by 12. So these are the criteria of divisibility of a number. Okay. So now I hope you can solve the exercise 4.5 by yourself. So homework will be exercise 4.5. Write down the homework. Homework is exercise 4.5. So these all are the related to the divisibility test. Okay. So I hope you will do by yourself. Okay. Thank you. Have a good time. Take care.